Welcome to all new pirate families. My name is Mr. Brinkman, and I'm a counselor here on campus at NP3 Middle School. Our other counselor's name is Mrs. Edwards, and we split the student alphabet grades 6 through 8. If your student has a last name of A through K, you'll be assigned to Mrs. Edwards. If your student has a last name of L through Z, you'll be assigned to me. On campus, you can find us in and out of classrooms, providing social and emotional content for your kids, planning college fairs, career fairs, field trips to Sac State, UC Berkeley, even the B Street Theater to provide fun and enriching content for all kids. We provide one-on-one counseling for students, group counseling, social and emotional support in and out of the classroom, along with career and vocational exploration. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us as we pride ourselves on building relationships with all kids and all families. We're here for your student and we're here for you. Give us a call at your convenience. We can't wait to get you on campus and get to know you. Go Pirates!